Hello everyone, I'm Miller. Today I will show you how to connect a wireless mouse to a laptop. I have such a mouse. This particular mouse is connected via a USB stick. Yes, well, everything is simple here. You take this stick, insert it respectively into the USB input in your laptop. If I have another one here, I found it on the other side. So that's the way it is. Accordingly, the mouse was immediately detected by a laptop, and here it turns out there is a switch button. I switched it. Now it pairs with our Bluetooth stick. And after it stops flashing, it can be used accordingly. That's it. There are also mice that connect via Bluetooth. To do this, you will need to go to Start, go to Settings here, go to respectively Bluetooth and devices. Here, go to the mice and connect your mouse respectively via Bluetooth. That's it. Well, specifically add a device, yes, and here's yours. Well, Bluetooth, that's it, and your mouse will appear respectively. That's all. Goodbye, everyone.